Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kelsey. Thank you so much for joining me today, and welcome to day 2 of palette week. So all this week I'm going to be doing different eye looks with one palette. The palette we're using is the Morphe Dare to Create palette. I will link yesterday's video above and down below. Make sure you check that out. It was a pretty neutral, simple, kind of warm eye. And today I'm going to be doing a 2 shadow look. So this is going to be like a super easy look just using 2 shadows. So I have already primed and set my eyes as well as the rest of my makeup and my brows and everything. So this is the palette. So there's lots of different colors to choose from, so it's hard to narrow it down to using 2. I'm going to be using this gold shade on the lid. It's called Artistic. And then I'm going to be using, I haven't quite decided, another shade, a neutral kind of shade in the crease to kind of blend it out. So I'm going to just start with the gold shade and apply that to my lids. Now something I have noticed with these really metallic shades from this palette is that there's quite a bit of fallout. So I just kind of do a once over with a brush everywhere I'm wanting to go, and then I'll really go in and deepen the pigment with my finger, because then I don't get it all over the place. And something nice about this look is that you don't have to be too particular about it. It doesn't need to be anything perfect, because we're just really going to be blending out a lot after we apply this. So I've got it to the intensity that I want, and now I'm going to go in with a blending brush. I'm going to use just honestly the lightest color in this palette, which is this one here. It's called Bear, and I'm just going to blend that into the crease and kind of blend out all that metallic shade. Now that I have both sides pretty blended, I'm going to go back to the gold color and just kind of re-intensify the lid a little bit. And I'm going to do one more quick blend just on the edge. To finish off the look, I'm going to take that same Bear shade that we used in the crease, and I'm just going to apply that under my lash line. So I'm going to skip eyeliner today, and I'm just going to apply some mascara, and I'll be right back. Alright, so that completes this look. I wanted to do a 2 shadow look for a few reasons. One, something like this can look really overwhelming, and so trying to pick out a bunch of shades can be a lot. And 2, who really uses 4 or 5 eyeshadows every day? When you're looking for something fast and quick for everyday use, 2 shadows is great. So I hope you enjoyed this look today. Tomorrow we're going to be doing something different, so make sure you're subscribed to stick around for that. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And until tomorrow, bye guys!